here we have a couple of air conditioners. Right here's a Goodman, over here is a Whirlpool Gold unit, and right here is a Nordyne of some kind. I think it's a, I'll have to see, is there, no, so yeah, it's just a Nordyne, nothing special. Goodman, it's currently off, and it's, what are you over here? Let's see, a heat pump. This is a heat pump. If you look down there, you can see the reversing valve. And that's a chicken. I probably don't want to hurry this up. Let's see here, the model number is GSH130481AA. Serial number 0606207124. And over here's the Whirlpool. It's currently running, as you can see. First time actually seeing a newer Whirlpool unit. And its model number is WGA-C4648AAC. Serial number is 1006635339. Like I said, it's currently running. I'm not sure what it is. I can't really see anything too well on there. But it's currently running. And over here is the Nordyne. It is a heat pump, as you can see down there. And I'm gonna hurry this up before our chicken attacks me, but the model number is JT5BD-048K. It's a 4-ton unit. Serial number is JTF0805000383. So, and it's currently off, like I said. So yeah, here we have, I suspect since there are 2 units are heat pumps, that the Whirlpool's a heat pump too. So yeah, here we have 3 air conditioners, a Goodman, a Whirlpool, and a Nordyne unit. And the Whirlpool's currently running. Over and out.